Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a lizard. Going to look like this. So we're going to start on the head. Let's do a curve like this. And then tilt our paper and do a mark like that and draw the eye and color in the dot. Same with the other one. And then we can do a mark like this in an oval shape. And then we'll put a line coming down here. And on the other side. And now we're going to do a leg. 1, 2. And we're going to do 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same with the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go down. And then we have to add more detail. But before, we can put a dot on the eye. And mark that spot right there and there. And then add a line like this. And on the legs. And the wrong way now. On every one. And then we have the eraser to erase the tiny marks we did. Up there, one leg clean. Clean the other one. The tail. And you can remark stuff if you erase them. And then we can get our permanent tin and mark it. Mark the lines we did. And also outline the lizard. We first need to outline it. And then go the other way. And then there. And now you can see the other ones, so you just need to copy them. And you'll get the right patterning. And we can do it on every leg or body part. And then we can get our eraser and erase on the lizard. And then we got it. And then you can take any color, even a light yellow, and color on top. Or you can make it in like a container. I want to do that. So you'll have to draw a circle and put lines and then draw a jar. And then we can outline it with the tin permanent. And draw the lines. And then erase it. And then you can color in the lid any color. I'm going to do blue. And you're done. That's how you draw a lizard. Bye.